Whoa, good morning guys, what's up? We have some good stuff today to do. Good stuff. I think I need to do something with the tailgate. Ready? Welcome to the vlog guys, again Match here as always. As you guys see, a beautiful day in Jersey. If you're hearing any noise, that's because my neighbors are cutting the grass. Can you hear? That's the hardest part to make videos in the morning, because people are normally taking care of their lands. I don't blame them, I need to get mine done as well. I don't know if you guys watch a little bit back in the days. I don't know if 2 months should be considered back in the days. I always want to get a tailgate flag and yeah, you guys right. Today is the day. I got in the mail. I ordered from Shane Design. They were doing like kind of a giveaway kind of thing. So by now I didn't get any call, I didn't win, but the tailgate flag still looks good. Let's put the vinyl on and I'm excited. I think that is gonna change a lot. So first thing I need to do, I need to back up the truck here so we can work on. I don't think it's gonna be a hard. I think the only problem is with the bow tie and also the opener for the tailgate. But besides that, when you are wrapping something, again, I'm not professional by any means. You just need to make sure the tailgate's clean enough so we don't get any dirt on it underneath of the vinyl. So let's clean. You guys have to enjoy some time lapse right here. You know, it's really clean, and that's what I try to do here. I'll show you guys here. You see this small thing here? Here. So what happened? I have a lot of rock chips, a little bit here. It's not rock chips. I don't even know what it is, but I used some wax to clean, and now it's kind of perfect. Again, the winter is brutal on the truck. Try to keep as clean as possible, but it's super hard. I'll probably get send somewhere to get up some detailing or whatever. So just, you know, it's good for the summer and it's in really good shape for the summer. But here, what are we gonna need? I just have my gloves on it, the wax that I just used. You're gonna need a knife, scissor, and here's the tailgate. I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna handle it by myself, but I'll try to do my best. I'm not gonna explain you guys details how to do it, because the main thing is clean, apply, and then let's see how that goes, the cutting between the bow tie and the handle, right? So I'll put you guys here again, and I'll try to talk as much as I can, but you guys gonna see it's very straightforward. I hope I can get this done by myself. If you don't, you're not gonna see this video. If you do, it's because we succeed. There we go, guys. Here's the flag. I really like it. I think it's gonna be good here, but we'll see. It's like the size, it's probably perfect. So if it's not perfect, you guys can give you a hard time to Shane Design, right? And besides that, I didn't win the Corvette, so it's even worse, right? But I'm just kidding. I think they have good product. I think that should be really straightforward how to apply. You guys know I have done a couple of wraps, vinyl, and all the kind of stuff before, so for me it's not new. I am not by any means any professional, but here we go. Woo! That would look sick. So I'm just make sure that fits perfect. One thing it's important, it's not going all the way here, it's here. Like, you see the tail light? That way should go. Oh, I really hope that goes well, because I don't want to mess up with this thing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some blue tape to hold so I can make sure it's in the right place in the right spot. Yeah, that's more or less how it's gonna look. Well, I'll start applying. Other than that, I don't know what else to do. And if it takes too long, I'm gonna give you guys a I had family stuff to do, so it's kind of another day, like late afternoon. I got a chance to wash the truck at least before I show you guys the tailgate. Look at that! What do you guys think? Huh? Oh, I love it! I love it. To be honest, I don't think it's a good idea to do it by yourself. I had a little bit of trouble, that's why it's not 100% straight, but so far so good. I did by myself, so I don't think it's bad at all. What do you guys think? Let me know, comments below. I see some imperfections. It's okay, I see some imperfections, but I think that's what makes the truck look good. I mean the flag. What do you guys think? Let me know if you like it. I really recommend you do that with a friend or a spouse. My wife wasn't home, so I could not ask for her help. But you can handle by yourself. I think I could do a better job. But still, I love it. I love it. As I said, it's not 100% straight, but who cares? It's not a perfect flag. It's beautiful though, it's beautiful. Memorial Day is coming, it's a way to, get the truck going on. The Memorial Day, maybe July 4th, we're gonna do more stuff. Who knows? But look at that, I got the car wash. She is looking pristine. I have to say though, the only thing about big wheels and tires is because you see here, I just got a car wash. Look at that. Anything you drive over, it's ridiculous. Gets all messy. I wanna ask you guys, what do you guys think about the idea of getting an entire black hood? Let me know. I think that would be cool. Of course, I have to get rid of the stripes, which is not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. I think it would look crazy, like here, everything black, and over here, everything black, of course, because the cover, and here, the tailgate flag. Which, by the way, I love it. That's it, guys, for today's upload. Don't worry about it, we're gonna change the tailgate. If you guys can help me, what would be the best choice for the tailgate light? A black? Of course black, but I'm thinking like all black, some black accents. What do you guys think? Let me know. I would love to hear you and see what you guys' ideas are. I don't know what I should do. I don't know what's gonna look better now with the flag. I just love it. I just really do love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. Again, if you are here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. We are almost in 2,000 subscribers. That's crazy. That's crazy. To be honest, I never thought we would come that far, that fast. That's crazy. That's crazy for me. I really appreciate your help, your support, and the time you're taking to watch my content. I love to get in touch with you guys, and because I love to get in touch with you guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram. We have a lot of things going on Instagram. I'm trying to put a meeting together for New York and New Jersey people, so I will be communicating through Instagram. So if you're not following me Instagram and you are from New Jersey, New York, and even PA area, make sure to follow me Instagram. I will try to do after Memorial Day, maybe a Sunday morning, something like that. I will figure it out, but you have to follow me Instagram, right? I don't know, by the time if I post a video with that information, you're gonna be able to see the information. So Instagram, it's faster to communicate. That's what I would say. So make sure to follow me Instagram. One more thing, guys, don't miss the next vlog. I'm telling you, it's something big coming to the channel. I cannot say yet because I'm working on details, but make sure to stay tuned, make sure to subscribe. We're gonna get a huge thing. I think after the lift kit, that's the biggest thing in the channel so far, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be maybe 2 or 3 videos about it, so you better stay tuned, you better subscribe. So yeah guys, I hope you guys really enjoy. It has been a while we don't do like a montage with the truck, but I will leave you guys with some truck pictures and everything else. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. Oh, one more thing, everything that you see for the truck is on the description below. If you need anything, if you have any questions, let me know. I will be glad to help you guys. And as always, don't forget, enjoy your life.